What makes great design? Is it simply the perfect balance of form and function? Or is it something more subtle, more emotional, more human? For LiuGong, the answer lies in our Red Dot award-winning design DNA. Our design team have invested thousands of hours to understand how operators really work and how they react to the toughest conditions. This design insight has shaped our new F-Series excavators. They are the machines operators want to work in.
Customer insight is a fundamental part of our design DNA. It determines the advanced engineering required to make our concepts a reality, which in turn determines the exterior form. Ultimately, operators should see our machines as an extension to their bodies, something that's intuitive, connected and unique.
Climb into the cab, grip the controls, feel the power, the superior visibility and the extra comfort. And you'll know our design team sees the world through your eyes.